What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Big up, enough respect. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, I wanna do, I wanna stay out there. I hope everyone I wanna is in good health and good strength. Guys, do some checkup. Do some checkup. Don't wait until you feel any pain, you go check the doctor. Do some checkup on yourself, on your body, on your heart, your mind, and your soul. And guys, remember, mental health crisis is not a joke. It's something where we need to talk about. It's something where we need to help each other with. Check on your friends and family. So do some wellness check on your people. Sometimes you know see a one, check on them, call them. Yeah man, do a wellness check, call them, find out if them are right. And you know, domestic violence, guys, it's on a rise. Check them out. Domestic violence, guys, it break my heart to see it, to talk about it, and to hear about it. So check on them, check on people. Make sure everybody is all right. If today is your birthday, happy birthday. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy birthday when it come. And if yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Big up yourself, enough respect, and just go under the door, check out the videos, like, share. Guys, what I want to say is thank you very much for your watch, like, and share, and comment on the videos. Guys, most of all, I beg you, please watch the ads. So that means I can make some money. Because I don't know more fix up my food truck, you know. I really want to fully fix up my food truck because that's my bread. That's how I live, you know. So thank you very much for your watch the video then. Guys, I want to say something, you see. And first and foremost, I want to say big up to a youth named True Adventure. Yeah, man. Me and True Adventure used to have some back and forth, you know? Yeah. Me and True Adventure used to have some back and forth with you know, that the color smith thing there. And True Adventure take a break after the YouTube. And True Adventure is back now on the YouTube and doing things. True Adventure come in my comment section and like up the comment, make a comment, and you know, because when we check it out, me have a family member who tell me say she and True Adventure are family, but me and True Adventure is not family. She and True Adventure is family through a different channel, through a different individual. So, and True Adventure come from Portland, where me come from, so you never know. You see how it go? So, to be honest with you, how me stay is me not carry grudge and me not carry feelings for people. So, me see True Adventure make a video yesterday. Guys, no go over there, go watch what True Adventure say. And True Adventure talk about color smith. And to be honest with you guys, me watch the video. Nice video. And when I say out time out was very correct. Very, very correct. Color smith put food on enough. Everybody table. Colors are do a really good job. Even the people were cuss colors. Where colors say it already too. Colors still make them make a food. But guys, you know, yeah man, go check out Colors video. And also guys, underneath True Adventure video, Missy, Jamaica Newtfee did under there, and Jamaica Newtfee, I make him comment, and me go in there and me thumbs up Jamaica Newtfee comment. So guys, you can go over there, go watch Jamaica Newtfee too. Me no carry grudge and me no carry feelings for people because me say what me say and me don't say it, and that's just how it go. That's just my opinion. Anyway, guys, I want to talk about something where I hear a content creator was talking about. And me know I go say all kind of something towards me. But I want to listen to what I say first, before come chop off my neck. Me listen, Dana British, big up yourself, you know. Can you hear me call your name and hear me talk? It's just that me want us to do better. You notice me say us. Yeah, me want us to do better because the YouTube street can make money. If we continue to make the bad video them, the people them are going to continue to watch we. If we make the good video them, then now really watch. But at the same time, we still can continue to make the good video them. Make the good video them. Them have to watch. Them we watch. Colors have whole heap of content we can make off of him. Now have to make the bad one them. But guys, what I really want to talk about this morning is, first me go talk about myself in it. When me come out, when the whole thing with Knife Ninja and Colors start, and me come out, and me chop up Knife Ninja, wicked. Yeah? Me beat Knife Ninja, wicked. Remember me come out and telling about the money and Knife Ninja, you know? Remember, say me carry it out there. Remember that. And nobody else tell people who are really one of the most important things that conspired in the situation. Remember, say me carry it out there. All right. So me beat up Knife Ninja. And me talk me things, but me stop. If you don't notice, me stop. And the reason why me stop is because me sit down after me get a phone call from a lady who said to me, Rodney, I want to talk to you. And I say, yeah, man, me there, listen. And she said to me, say, you're a respectful man. You're an honest man because me listen to your video and I listen to you a long time. And I said, thank you. And she said to me, say, me know you know wrong from right. And I say, yes, we know that. And she said to me, do you believe making videos beating Knife Ninja like how you're doing is good for him and his family and his kids? And it touched me. When that lady said that to me, I don't know if you don't notice, you don't see me not make no video about Knife Ninja. When that lady said that to me, and that was the last video I made about Knife Ninja, and it was the video when I make about the phone number. And before that, I never done met none either. Because what that lady said to me was real. What that lady said to me was real. The lady said to me, how, when you guys beat him down, how do you think he going to get money to feed his family? That's what that lady said to me. You know? And I sit down and I look into it and I say, you know, she right, you know. And me know that long time. It's not like me just know it when she said it. Me know it long time. But me watch a video yesterday. And the video me watch yesterday, it was Dana British. Can me watch Dana British, you know? Me I'm gonna watch her when she go out with her foolishness, you know? Yeah, man. Because remember, you know, before Dana British start listen me guys, me and Dana British used to, me jump on Dana British live, and when Dana British just start her live, me jump on it and, you know, and Dana welcome me and Dana can't tell you. Me not have nothing against Dana British, nothing at all against Dana British. As a matter of fact, I have nothing against no man, no one. Me is just a person when me go talk the truth. I mean, don't care if you watch my video, yes or no. Me want to watch the video still because I want to make the money. But me just have to talk the truth. Me watch a video yesterday with Dana British. And me didn't notice something still, but me never da go make no video about it. But me watch the video with Dana British and me hear Dana British say, she watched the bull. Big up yourself, bull. Enough respect. No watch no face, go on do your thing. Dana British said she watched the bull video. And when she watched the bull video, she had said the same thing. And she had listened and she had that she can't see Knife Ninja. And, you know, Dana British said what she has said. But Dana British said something where really and truly hit the base. Dana British said Knife Ninja must come back out because Knife Ninja is missing. Because Knife Ninja have passion to feed the people and to do the thing. Dana British also said that Knife Ninja have his family and his kids to feed. Now listen me good enough. Listen me good enough, guys. And me I talk to myself too, you know. Me I talk to myself too, you know. Dana British said that he have his family and his kids to feed, and it's his passion. Yeah? Now the reason why I make this video, you know, is just to show a point, yeah? When Dana British said that, I really stopped for a minute. I mean, look at me say, me pause the video and me say, hold on a bit. Did Dana British just say that? And Dana British herself said, even though she make a whole bunch of video about Knife Ninja, that's people I tell she, Dana British, we stop call Knife Ninja name. But guys, when Dana British said that word, you see, about Knife Ninja need to come back out and because I passion, I'm having kids and I'm having family to feed and all those things. I sit back and I ask myself the question, where was that passion when everything started from all of us? Where was that from all of us when we start to beat Knife Ninja? And me not come here and take up for Knife Ninja, you know? But when we come here, I do is simply this. Do we really think about what we're doing before we jump and start to carry down these content creators and doing all these things and beating and doing all these things, and then after a while we feel bad about what we have done? Come on now, guys. This is the reason why me I said to each and every one, cut out the stupidness. Cause see it? Cut out the stupidness. Because at the end of the day, we out here beating down somebody. But then as soon as the person missing, we come out making videos wondering if the person is all right, wanting to say, no, come out back, come make your video because you have your family, you have it's your passion. Come back out when we out here beat that person to sickness, to scorn, send that person in a hiding. Are you all seeing what I'm saying here? One, me no out here, I make no video on the behalf of Knife Ninja. I am making this video on the behalf of ourselves, on the behalf of humanity, on the behalf of respect, on the behalf of healthy living. We are on social media beating down people, beat them down. And then after we see them missing. Mental health crisis is serious. And some of us believe that we are so powerful that we go get up every day and beat a person, and don't know that person's mental status. We don't know that person's mental capability. We don't know how strong that person is in their mind, soul, and body. But we come out and we beat that person left, right, and center. We come out and we beat. And then, when that person go missing, we want to feel sympathy. We want to feel sorry. Oh, that person should come back. Then what are we really doing? What are we doing? Are you beating a person and then turn around and says, I'm so sorry? Guys, the reason why I talk about this is because I am a part of it. I am a part of it. I am a part of this ninja business. I beat ninja left, right, and center. I was the one who bring out the main information out on the street about Knife Ninja. I realized he was missing. I realized he wasn't making videos. But guess what? Me, I wasn't going to make a video like what Dana British make. Nope, I would never do that. I wasn't going to do that. But now that I see Dana British make that video and Dana British said, Bull, for some reason, because me subscribe to Bull, for some reason, me not see Bull video them at all. Me don't know where them gone. Bull video them normally pop up right in front of my eyes. So I don't know how me not see Bull video them. A couple videos, a couple content, listen me good. A couple content creators videos used to pop up on my channel. Me no see them a pop up again. Me no know what happened. Me no know if the content creator them block me from them page. If them block me, I say go. Part of life. Me no run down people. My mother tell me long time, do not run down a bus or a woman. So me not go run down no human being or no vehicle. You see what I say? So guys, to be honest with you, I believe that this video that Dana British make should be a video that many of you watch and realize what she's saying out of her mouth when she was a part of who beat Knife Ninja to sickness, beat Knife Ninja off a YouTube for a little bit, or for a minute, or for how long, nobody know. We don't know Knife Ninja mental health status. Somebody, Knife Ninja may gone in a hiding, a tremble like leaf, because he may not make the money, because he tired and name a call because of something. You see what I say? So mental health, guys, listen me good. Not many of us have that mindset of staying above water. Not many of us can do it. A lot of us cannot stay above water too long. A lot of us can dive from here to a very far place. But not a lot of us can do it. A lot of us can swim. Not a lot of us can swim. Some people, only their foot going to go in that water. So guys, what I'm really saying to you all is think before we hack. And I'm not calling any other person's name in this video because I don't want people to believe I'm pointing fingers. But I believe it's full time we sit down. It's full time we sit down and realize that people, livelihood, people, life is on the line. When a person come out here and build a channel, that person build a channel to make wealth, to make money. And when we come out here, and beating these people left, right, and center, we're not even thinking if these people go able to cope or able to continue with their channel. And I believe that people need to sit down and at least have some form of sense, some form of some form of mindset to say, you know, enough is enough. Listen me good, and I go say this. Somebody come out and say something. Yes, you can make video. You should make video about it. But how far do you go? How far do you go? That's the problem, you know. How far? Are you going to keep going, and that's the problem. See, the thing is, Knife Ninja come out and him say what him say. Boom, boom, boom. But the continuation of beating, sink him. The continuation of making videos, sink him. So the thing is, when I see that video that Dana British make, I really have to sit down and say to myself, it's after the fact where, you know, the thing that we say in Jamaica say, shoot first, ask question after. So in other words is, you shoot him, know him unalive, then you go say, did he do it? Then you go say, did he do it? But him dead. You see what I say? So that's where the problem is, guys. You cannot do the damage, then ask question after. And that's just me being honest. We have to think about a person mindset. We have to think about a person mental capacity, mental health, and mental everything. We have to think, guys. We have to think. We cannot just continue to do all these things. So we can't continue to do it. My viewers and subscribers, this was just a little video where me feel say me should have made this video because all this a go too long, brother. All of this a go too long. Even over upon Alicia Kim's side, it a go and Junkertown, it a go on too long, you know. It now make no sense. The lies start to tell. It now make no sense. So guys, again, you don't know. Me there, and me just have to talk the truth. Yeah, me really and truly have to talk the truth. Me don't really care who want like it, who not like it. Me have to talk the truth. The truth hurts, but sometimes it feel better if you talk the truth. Yeah, because me is a part of it. And hello, you know, come talk about how you started, Rodney. Me know. Say me a part of it. And I tell you, say, everybody needs to stop it. Because me, stop it. Yeah. The only place me there are with them little drunk there over Drunkertown. And them, me have to stop that too. So, you know, guys, we have to just live as one, you know, equal right and justice, and remember people mental health. Because nobody know what I go through Knife Ninja head. Because again, Knife, hallelujah. I will see you in the next video. Them say, no say nothing, I'm out.